Hello guys, hope you doing well. In today's video, I will show you how you can enhance your voice. Okay, so how you can remove noise from your audio or video. Okay, so that is very easy steps. I will explain you. Okay, so first of all, you need to simply come to your Google. Okay, you can use any browser, Google Chrome, whatever you want, browser or any other browser. Just come to search bar and search this Adobe Adobe Podcast. Okay, so simply you will get this link. Okay, open the first result which you will get adobe.podcast.adobe.com. Okay, now they will ask you to log in. So log in with your Gmail account simply. Okay, and after that you need to search the option. Okay, enhance speech. That's it. Convert. You can convert audio to video, caption video. Okay, you can add captions to your video using this, and you can enhance your audio. You can remove noises. You can remove unnecessary background noises. So that is very amazing tool. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here you can see this is speech and answer, and we need to just simply choose our file which we want to use, which we want to enhance. Okay, so I will upload the file. Okay, simply I recorded a video, so I want to enhance that voice. I will select that, and now it's processing. You can see the options here. Okay, original and enhanced. So when you will off this option, okay, switch off this option, so you will see that how original audio or video is looks. Okay, how it's a voice, it's a noisy or it's clear. And you can, when you will on this option, okay, when you will apply enhancer, and you can feel the difference between the voice you enhanced and before and after. Okay, so now I will show you that how the real voice, original voice is, and how the enhanced audio is. So simply I will play that. Okay,
Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I will show you how you can get Adobe Creative Cloud account. Okay. You-
so that is, original voice. So now I will play the enhanced voice. Okay, enhanced audio which I used here.
Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I will show you how you can get Adobe Creative Cloud account. Okay. You can see this. This is Adobe, and this is
Now again I will play original.
Creative Cloud Pro 4-month trial account. So how you can get this? First of all, you need to connect your VPN to
Now listen the enhanced voice. Okay,
UK. Okay. I'm using browsing VPN. You can get browsing extension.
so you can see that this is the amazing tool for, if you are a content creator, if you are a video creator. So if you record your voices and use it any video or any platform, so you must have to